We have been to just about every kind of forest America offers, from the subtropical forests of the South, the redwoods of the West, deciduous forests of the Northeast, and even the cactus forests of the Southwest. But possibly the most surreal forested landscape we've ever visited is found in Northwest Washington State. Come along with us as we explore Olympic National Park's Hall of Mosses in the Hoh Rainforest. Hey fellow expeditionists, today we're in the Hoh Rainforest of Olympic National Park. We're going to be exploring the Hall of Mosses as well as some other surrounding trails. Olympic National Park covers more than 922,000 acres in northwest Washington and features three distinctly different ecosystems: the rugged glacier-capped mountains, the wild Pacific coast, and the largest primeval temperate rainforest in the lower 48 states. This park is even designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of only 25 in the world, due to its natural beauty and ecological significance. The Hoh Rainforest receives some of the highest rainfall levels in the continental United States, with an average annual rainfall of more than 12 feet. The forest is mostly Sitka spruce and western hemlock, among other conifers and deciduous trees. Some of these trees are hundreds of years old and reach up to 250 feet high. Of course, here in the Hall of Mosses, the most outstanding feature are the epiphytes, or plants that grow on other plants, such as the mosses, ferns, and lichen. When the sun shines just right through the forest, it creates an otherworldly feel, like something out of a fantasy novel. So that was the Hall of Mosses Trail, and it truly lived up to its name. Really cool scenery. Caden, what did you think of it?
That was awesome, just seeing those trees and the moss covering them. That was cool.
Yeah, that was really was awesome, quote unquote. Cool scenery, and it really gave me a feel of I mean, it's a rainforest, you know, and we don't experience that, not in that effect. It made me feel like I was somewhere in South America or something, you know, just with a few less bugs. Anyway, there's a lot more to explore here in the Hoh Rainforest, so we're going to head on down the trail. Till next time,
Peace out.